Following the recent press release by the proscribed Hnlc outfit, the Chief Minister of Meghalaya, CONRAD SANGMA, had earlier stated that an official communication from the outfit is necessary to facilitate the process of peace talks with the state and central governments. An official communication by the Hnlc addressed to the Chief Minister CONRAD SANGMA with a copy to Deputy Chief Minister Prestun Tinsong and Home Minister Lakmen Rimboy was received on the 10th of February 2022. Speaking to reporters on the matter, Home Minister Lakmen Rimboy, while informing on the receipt of the official communication for unconditional peace talks from the Hnlc to the state government, stated that it welcomed the offer as members of the outfit have expressed their desire for a peaceful and safe society to once again prevail in the state of Meghalaya.
Yes, it is a very fast-paced development. In the last few days, when we saw in the media that the SNLC want to talk with the government and they want that the government should appoint the interlocutor to carry forward the talk. So immediately yesterday, the Honorable Chief Minister has held the meeting. In that meeting, we welcome this development, these steps, and Chief Minister has briefed the press yesterday that we want to take this step forward. But as the government, we want a formal communication from Hnlc. After they got this statement from our Honorable Chief Minister, then today they sent a letter to the Honorable Chief Minister, copy to the Deputy Chief Minister and the Home Minister that they reiterating that they want that the peace talk should start and the appointment of interlocutor should start so that the process could begin. So we from the government, after getting this formal communication, we will communicate to the government of India. And as the Honorable Chief Minister has already mentioned to you yesterday, that the process of identifying the interlocutor has already started. So we hope in a few days we will able to carry this forward, this development forward.